So you start by adding text to your clip. You select your text tool, then you add your text. Let's put in Dubai. So after putting your text, you Control A, you go to Effect Control. Once you go to Effect Control, you can change the text. You can put probably Tahoma. Let's take bold. Okay. Then you can scale. You can scale it. Whatever size you want to scale it. You can choose whatever color you want. There's no need for stroke or background. No background based on what we want to do next. Then you can click on motion here. Then select it and drop it properly to the middle. Okay, so let's put this video in the text. So what you're going to do next is to come to effects here. You look for track matte key. So this is it. You drag and drop the track matte key. You put it in your main video. I think let's try the selector. Then you come to your main video here. This is your main video. You come down, you come to this your matte. In this your track matte, you come here, you click on video 3. So this, why I selected video 3 because it's on V3. This is V3, this is video 3. If this is on V2, let's drag it down to V2. Let's see. You see, it's back to the original. So you can still come here and go back to your track matte key, and since it's on V2 now, looking from here, it's on V2 now, no longer on V3. You can change it to video 2 and you can see probably you want that cinematic entry. You can click on your text, go to scale, click on scale on your keyframe scale. You move forward a little bit, then you touch the scale again, then let's scale it till it's out. So that's it. So let's play it and see. So I think it's a little bit slow. You can bring it closer. I think the closer it is, the closer the keyframe is, the faster the motion gets. So let's put it on ease in. You right click. What I just did now, let me Control Z. What I just did now, I just right clicked and ease in for it to be smoother. Then bring it closer a little bit again. Let's see it. So that's it. There you have it.